In this video, I want to share with you how to use Kahoot for your game board. Okay, you can create interactive and engaging sessions with your students so they can participate and answer questions and stand a chance to win prizes in your classes. Okay, so Kahoot delivers engaging learning to billions. Okay, because at the moment every year we have Kahoot used to record more than 1 billion users. Okay, so compete and collaborate with colleagues in teams. Okay, shake up your meetings and events by having colleagues to join forces to compete against other teams. So there's so much to learn in Kahoot. It's free to use. Most of the key features are free. If you want to buy the pro version, you can buy it by clicking on this. It's quite interesting to try, but I think the free version is quite enough for most of the things that you can do. So you can check out what does Kahoot do. You can create, you can host or share, and you can play Kahoot directly with the code. Okay, once you are given the code, you can easily use it to join a Kahoot game and you can work with it. Over 1 billion users every year. More than 50% of US teachers use Kahoot. Players in more than 200 countries and over 50 million public games available. 97% of the Fortune 500 use Kahoot. Okay, so it's a very popular online gaming platform that you can use to keep yourself and your students connected through this. So you can sign up for free. If you want to try it, you can just sign up. So you can click to sign up. So let's say we sign up, choose your account type. So let's say you can sign up as a teacher, as a student, as a personal or professional account. So let's say we're signing in as a teacher and you want to use maybe higher education, a school or a school administration, business and others. You can select. Okay, so let's say we're going for school and you're free to sign in using an email. You can sign on using Gmail if you have a Microsoft account, if you have a Google account, if you have an Apple account. If you have Clever account also, you can use it to send. So but for today you can use Google account. So let me sign in, so we'll meet on the other side to start using Kahoot. Okay, so we continue with the free version. Okay, so you can have Kahoot Pro, Kahoot Premium and Kahoot Premium Plus. Okay, so let's say we go with Kahoot free version. We have up to 50 players that can play. Assigned student pays Kahoot, host and play Kahoot and create Kahoot with quiz questions. Okay, so we'll continue with the free version. So over here you will be welcome to this platform. Welcome to Kahoot. Get started in a couple of clicks. So your name optional. Okay, so let's say Rashid Region, have a username, save and continue, and you are free to and welcome to Kahoot. You can see it over here. So you can use member of UTP, add interest. You can add your interest if you want. So you can just start creating content. You can play a demo game if you want from here, and you can create a Kahoot or host a Kahoot. So let's create a Kahoot by clicking on this. Okay, so you have a bunch of templates that you can choose from. Teach with slides, Kahoot for formative assessment, introduce new topics and many more. You can see many more, student selfie Kahoot and many more, many different types. But let's say we are starting on a new Kahoot, a fresh blank Kahoot. And it's a very easy to use, user friendly. It's very interesting and easy to navigate and create your questions and answers. So let's say we add a question over here. So start your question. You can even use your mathematical expressions, subscripts, superscript, and even symbols and functions. So you just start writing. X squared equals to 4. What is X? So you can start a media, be it a picture or an image or a GIF or a video. You can insert from different kind of media. Feel free to check it out. Let's say we can search something from maybe mathematics. Okay, we can choose anyone. So let's say we'll go with this. You can crop the image from here. So you can see the image properties to your left. Check the image properties. You can make it original, which is this, and you can make it 3x3, and you can make it 5x5 or 8x8, depending on what you want and how you want it to appear. So down here we have the answer to be 1. For example, 2, 3, and 6. So the correct answer is 2. So we mark it and you can see it's checked. So the computer will take it as the correct answer. So you can go to the next question. So we can say add a question from here. Okay, you can add a question and you can select from the type of questions that you want. Okay, is it a quiz? Is it a true or false? Is it a type question? Is it a puzzle? Is it a quiz plus audio? Is it a poll? Is it a word cloud or open-ended question or brainstorm? Okay, so let's say we go for true or false. So you can see true or false. So we add the question over here. The sum of 5 and minus 1 is 6. So true or false? So the answer is false. We take it as false. Okay, so you can add and you can put on image also if you want. You can drag and drop to upload. You can drag and drop also from your computer to upload. So for example, if you don't have any image that you want to upload from here, you can also upload from this upload image, and you can just navigate around and you can just take any image and put it in, and you can see it. You can crop it if you want, and you can remove it if you so wish, and you can change the image reveal using these features. Okay, this is question 2. You can add another question. Let's say we are going for a brainstorm, or you can make it open-ended question. You can make it open-ended, or let's say type answer. Let's say you type the answer. So to start the question, which part of speech the word camel? So you can type the answer. So you can allow people to type the answer over here, but you can add other accepted, type an answer. So you say noun, so you can put now as the correct answer. And now we have virtually 3 questions. Okay, question 1, question 2, question 3. We can add an image to this also. We can bring in something. We can search something like a camel, and you can see it over here. You can just select, let's say we select this first one, but you have to be a premium member to be able to use it. Okay, so no problem, we can search for camel somewhere and we can bring it in. You can search for it somewhere. So let's say we search for Bing camel. Okay, so let's say we can upload any picture. Okay, so right now you can take in any picture. Let's say we take this, put in the answer, type an answer. So student will type the answer, but we have our answer here. So once you're done, you will check everything. So on each question, you can check out from this side. You have the option to time it. The default timing is 20 seconds. You can put points, standard. You can double the points, or you can put no points at all. So let's go with standard. Answer option, select. Okay, just select. The same way goes this one, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. After 20 seconds, the question is going to elapse. Okay, so you can preview your question over here. You can change the theme, how it's going to look. You can change the theme of the entire event, of the entire game. So let's say we choose this one, celebration. You can see, you can preview and see how it's going to look like. You can preview and see which part of speech is the word camel, and this is the players type your answer. Okay, so they will type the answer. You can exit preview, and you can exit and have it saved, or you can enter the Kahoot title from here. Okay, so you can enter the Kahoot title. So you can just make it demo 1, catching fun with my students. Save to my Kahoot. You can change it if you want. You can lobby video, paste your URL. You can paste an URL, and you can change language and visibility to public. Kahoot lobby music, you can change the music if you want. You can try any music. You can check on fantasy and have a preview of it. Okay, whichever one you choose, you can see it is right. I think this original kind of looks fantastic, and you can select it. You can say done. Okay, so the theme requires us to be premium, so we can remove theme if you want. Okay, so we go back and remove the theme. So we say, okay, so we'll go with standard. So we just go with standard, and we just try it like that on the standard. So once we click on save, it's going to save it. So no theme, no need for us to go with the theme, because the theme is for the premium members. And right now, well done. Now on the next task. Okay, play demo game, create a Kahoot, host a Kahoot. But we've already created our Kahoot, so you can see it over here with 3 questions. You can see all. You can just click to see, and you can say you can start the game right now. Okay, start the game. Okay, you can just go on with the classic mode. Okay, so this is the game pin, and you can just start waiting for players to join. So once you log into kahoot.it, you can use this pin to join, or you can scan this QR code. All right, so let me join with my phone. Okay, so let me join with my phone. So 989 5568, and we can just enter. So it will ask you to put your name. So let's say Mekudi. Okay, so you can see I've just joined. So since we have 1 participant, we can start the game. And you can see now we are starting demo 1. So on my screen, you can see the game is starting already. All right, so 1 of 3. If x squared is equal to 4, what is x? 2. Next question. Okay, Mekudi got 941. Next. True or false? The sum of 5 and minus 1 is 6. False. Next. Still Mekudi. Next. We have the next question. What is 2 minus 10? Minus 8. Right? So you can see correct answer is 935. You can say next. You can see the game is over, and who is the winner? So third, second, and first. And who is the first? Mekudi. Yeah, so this is just how to use Kahoot, and you can go to next also to view the results. Okay, get feedback. You can play new game, or you can see difficult question. Every question was answered correctly by most players, so you can check the podium and check out other things as well. Okay, so the game is over. So, and I won. So ladies and gentlemen, this is just a bit about how to use Kahoot to organize games for your students and get them connected and engaged. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.